Hello everyone, welcome back to our cozy creative corner where small things turn into big memories. Today's story is about X-Mix ornament, but not the ones you buy from the store, the ones you make with your heart. It's a story of one family, one simple craft, and how a few handmade ornaments brought back the magical of X-Mix. So started. It was one chilly December evening. Snowflakes danced outside, and the sound of laughter filled the streets. But in a small house at the end of the lane, the Turner family sat quietly. Their Xmas tree stood tall, but empty. No shiny balls, no glittering stars, not even a ribbon. They had just moved to a new town, and all their old decorations were lost during the move. Little Emma, their 8-year-old daughter, looked sadly at the bare tree. Mom, she whispered, it doesn't feel like Christmas without ornaments. Her mother smiled gently. Maybe we can make our own. Emma's eyes lit up. Really? But we don't have anything fancy. Her mom replied softly, we have love, imagination, and a few leftover things. That's all we need. That night, the Turner family sat around the table with old paper scraps, bit of jute rope, pine cones from their yard, and shiny foil from chocolate wrappers. They began to craft, cutting, gluing, tying, ribbon. Each ornament looked different, but together they were beautifully unique. Emma made a star from foil paper. Dad shaped pine cone into tiny stars. Mom tied jute bows and hung them with thread. Soon the house was filled with laughter, the smell of glue and cookies, and the sound of soft Christmas music playing in the background. It was not perfect, but it was magical. Each ornament as they crafted, Emma's mother told her stories. This pine cone reminds me of the forest where I used to play as a child. The silver star means hope that no matter how dark things seem, like always returns. And this paper heart, she said smiling me, means family because family is what keeps us warm inside. Emma listened carefully as she decorated. She realized something special, that every ornament had a story and every story had love hidden inside it. When they finished, the once empty tree sparkled, not with perfection but with personality and heart. They turned off the lights and looked at their handmade ornaments, glowing softly in the moment. The Turners didn't see a tree. They saw memories, togetherness, and gratitude. The next morning, when neighbors visited, they were amazed. Where did you buy these decorations? One asked, another asked. Emma proudly smiled. We made them ourselves. Everyone admired the tree because it was not just decoration, it was love hanging from every branch. As the snow fell outside, Emma's mother whispered, do you show why handmade ornaments are special, my dear? Emma shook her head. Because every time you make something with your own hands, you put a piece of your heart inside it and love. That's what makes Christmas truly shine. Emma smiled, holding a little star she had made herself. I think this is my favorite Xmas ever, she said. Her mom hugged her and whispered, because this time we did not just decorate a tree, we decorate our hearts. Year passed and Emma grew up. Every Christmas she opened the same old box, filled with those handmade ornaments. Some were faded, some a little broken, but each one carried the laughter and warmth of the magical night. Now she shared the same story with her children. teaching them how real beauty does not come from stores but from the love you put into your hands and heart. So, this Xmas, you don't worry about perfect decoration or fancy things. Gather your family, brings out your creativity, and make your own magic ornaments. Because the most beautiful Christmas trees are the ones decorated with love, laughter, and the handmade dreams. Thank you for listening. Thank you, be a part of this beautiful journey. Happy festival. And may your heart always shine as bright as your tree. May your home full with love, happiness, togetherness. Wishing you a very happy holiday. Have a very nice and good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Stay blessed. Have a very nice day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy festival. Have a very nice day. And may your home fulfill with love.